Hey everyone, thank you very much for joining me. Faris here, and in this episode you're going to look at how you can stake your energy. Most of the questions I've been getting on this platform asking me how they can stake their energy. You already covered videos that teaching you on how you can purchase energy on Uniswap, how you can stake directly on the community builder program. But in this video specifically, we're going to look at how you can stake your energy. Remember, you have to incur 3 transactions. You have to make sure that they are all successful so that the staking process is complete. Now let's jump into this and see how investment advice. You should always make your research. Consider this video for education and entertainment purposes. This is not investment advice. I'll recommend you to make your own research before you put money in any cryptocurrency or any crypto platforms. So therefore, look into this. If you're interested into staking and make money out of this DeFi, this is what you have to do. Remember, I jumped in, I bought this as early as low as $117. Right now it is selling at $775. And first of all, I'll check out gasstation.info if you want to know more about how the gas charges are going on the gas prices. Let's refresh this and see if there is any changes in the gas. Right now the charges are a little bit down. I think the transaction is not too high, so that's what we're going to look at. We're going to jump into this. We already know that we have our energy in our MetaMask wallet. Now we are going to proceed to staking energy right now. Let's go back right now and click on staking. We assume you already have a link to community builder program. If you don't have one and you already have your energy, check in the description on this video. You'll be able to find your community builder program link so that you can also benefit from staking. Remember, there's a 25% charge when you stake that goes to community builder program, and staking there's a 7.5 charge when you want to unstake your energy. So this is what you're going to look at right now. Right now we're basically going to connect it. It's going to prompt us to connect our MetaMask wallet. In this case, we are going to connect our MetaMask wallet. The little fox has popped up. We are now connecting our MetaMask wallet. So if we connect our MetaMask wallet, we shall be good to go. Our MetaMask wallet is already connected here. Let's connect it one more time. If you're using it for the very first time, you may be prompted to click twice to have this revealed. So this is the link we already have. If someone stakes, I'll be paid directly in my wallet. There is no need of withdrawing from your back office. The link to the person who invited you, you were paid directly to your MetaMask wallet. You are in full control. There is no need of asking, when should I withdraw from back office? This is smart contract. It is fully decentralized. Now we are going to proceed and look at the balances we are having right now. In this case, we have our balance in energy 12.6. Now we would like to stake our energy. Right now I'm staking 6 energy, and I'll proceed. I have balance in Ethereum. Remember, I'll be charging Ethereum when it comes to the staking process. So I'll click stake. When I click stake, a transaction it will populate in my MetaMask wallet. After populating in my MetaMask wallet, I'll confirm that I'm the one doing this transaction. I'm charged $16 on this. Says yes, I'll proceed with the transaction to let it through. Transaction has gone through. So we should wait for the second one, and we should also wait for the third one to complete the staking process. So remember, these tokens are put in staking every Saturday. So that's when the coins are put in staking. So we have a transaction that is already ongoing in the staking process. We have our Ethereum ready to take care of the charges. Let's just look at the activities here. We have a transaction here. Let's see if we can speed it up a little bit to have it successful. Let's go to fast. If you're not in any hurry, you don't need to speed it up that fast. You can leave it, give it a time to complete, but make sure that you don't over adjust the charges. You will have an issue, the impact of, call it slippage. So you have an issue with slippage. I was once a victim of slippage. I don't want you to be one of the people who are having issues with slippage. So we have managed to complete the first transaction. Now we are waiting for the second one to go through. As we're waiting for the second one to go through, let's go look at the price of energy. Right now, energy is selling at $770. I bought this as low as $117. That is like 4 weeks ago. So waiting for the price to get back in tens so that we can buy. This may not happen because energy is steadily growing and the community is growing bigger. We retouched at one point. We touched at I think 2 weeks ago. We touched 700. We touched $976 as the highest price. This is really amazing. Must be they have very many big projects going on. You can easily see the transaction also going on here. You can see the transactions going on here, people buying, people selling. So it is a free market. You just come, buy, sell. There's no one who's taking control of your assets. That is what we call bringing power back to the people. So this is the new look of the community builder dashboard, how it looks like, the staking, how it works. You can go look at how this staking works so that you can also grab some info on how this staking really works. So they have a PDF. You can go through the PDF of energy and learn how this really works. The vision. So it's not about the price. By the way, you should always focus on the vision of the project than focusing on the price of the token or the coin on market. So you can also trace the price of energy from the community builder program. You can see it in real time here in USDC. One energy buy is selling at 772.58 USDC. USDC is an extremely stable token, the stable coin that is really trusted. That's what is paired in energy for those who want to buy on Uniswap. So you can as well check out on Uniswap and see how everything is going that side. So we still have a transaction ongoing of $217. Let's go spend that. Let's go spend that. We just want this done. We are spending $217 on the last one. Let's go on average. Let's trace our transaction. So our transaction is finally successful. We have managed to successfully complete our transaction. Let's go back to community builder program. We have successfully managed to complete the transaction. Now let's go back to community builder program, our dashboard. We staked 6 energy tokens. 25% was given in community builder program, and I remained with 4.5 energy that is staked. My expected reward next Saturday, this is going to be 0.45 energy, which is really amazing. Thank you very much for watching. This is how you can proceed with energy. Take note that you need to have Ethereum take care of gas fees, and if you have Ethereum, you can just directly come to stake and you proceed with staking in this perspective. Thank you very much for your time. See you in my next video. I love you all. Bye bye.